What are tornadoes, and why do they twist? Tornadoes are violent, spinning columns of air that reach from a thunderstorm to the ground. They form when warm, moist air near the surface meets cold, dry air above. This creates instability in the atmosphere. Wind directions at different heights cause the air to start rotating horizontally at first. Strong updrafts from the storm then tilt the rotating air into a vertical position. As the rotation tightens, it forms a twisting funnel we see as a tornado. So tornadoes don't just spin randomly. Their twist comes from a combination of wind, temperature, and rising air in powerful storms.